Next type of formatting we're going to look at is the number formatting. The default number format is general. We're going to look at that. Now, why should you change number formats? The first reason why you should change number formats is to make your data explainable and also to prepare your data for functions so that Excel can understand. So when you start doing calculations in Excel, you understand the reason why number formatting is very important. And also we're going to look at practical examples of how you can change number formats and the reason and the importance and impact in your data. Now, example of number formats are general, number, currency, time. There are also different types of number formats. There's percentage. We're going to look at all of it in the example. Now, how can you change your number format? To do that, you simply click the number format drop-down. This can be accessed in the ribbon found in the numbers group. Let's take practical example to help you understand. Now we have this. So this contains the salary and the full name of some individuals. Now ideally, salary ought to be in currency. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the number format for this salary. So Christian Bush, his salary is 5,200. So to simply change this amount here to USD, simply highlight the cell. You can highlight all the cell or you can just start by highlighting one. Now let's start by highlighting one. So let's change it. This is the number group. There are different things you can achieve here. So let's start with this one. Just click on the drop down under the number format. Recall that we said the default number formatting is general, which is this. So we want to change it to currency. By default, the currency is in USD. So simply click on it and you have it here, 5,200. Now the comma has also appeared to help you differentiate between the thousands and the hundreds. Now if you would like to change to a different type of currency, now this is the number group. You can simply click on this number format here. It brings you to different categories of number formatting. We have the general, which means the general format cell have no specific number format. We have the number. This is it. There are different types. This is negative. This is the positive. We have the currency. We have accounting. We have date. We have time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special. And if you want to customize your number formats, you can use the custom. We are dealing with currency here. So recall that I said I want to show you how you can use other currency because the default is in dollars. So let's change this. Simply click here under the symbol. Simply click here. Now you keep scrolling. We have different types of currency. So you keep scrolling until you see the desired currency. So I want to use euros. Now I have to keep scrolling. Now I have it here. This is the euros currency. I just want to use this one. So you can see each country, it also has the country beside it. So whatever currency you want to change to, it's fine. I want to use France euros, and then I click OK, and here you have it. If you decide to use another currency, let me use the Russian currency. click OK, and you have it here. So whichever currency you want to use, it's your choice. For this example, I'll be using dollar all through. So I'll simply click here and click on currency. Now you can also click here to select the currency easily. Just simply click here and you have it. So instead of using this one or using this format here, you can simply just click here, the drop down menu here, and select any of the currency you choose to. So if I want to use the British pounds, this is it. You can also click here for more accounting formats and you can see different types of currency. So whichever one you want to use, it's your choice. Now, let's get to this one. This is decimal. We want to explore decimal formatting. So notice that when we included the currency in this data, it brought out decimal. But that's not what we're doing here. For this one, we don't want to include the currency. We just want these numbers to be formatted in a very understandable form such that there will be a delimiter separating the thousands from the hundreds, which means after this 5, we're going to have a comma. So let's see how we can make this 5,200 more readable. So you simply click on this. This is the comma. Look at it. It says format a thousand separator. So this is a style in the number formatting. You simply click on it to add the comma to your numbers. Now notice that it is a custom type of number formatting. So you can either get it from here or you click on the number group and you go to custom. But we're going to be using the one in the ribbon for easy access. Now we have this decimal in 2 places. We want to remove this decimal to 1 decimal place or nothing at all. To fix this, there is a command here. This one is to increase the decimal, while this one is to decrease the decimal. So when I click on the decrease the decimal, you notice the decimal reduced to 1 decimal place. If I click on to increase the decimal, it keeps increasing. As you keep left clicking on it, it keeps increasing. When you want to decrease, just click here. So for this example, we're going to be leaving it at no decimal point. So we're going to be having just 5,200. So use this decrease decimal button to remove all the decimals. Let's try for this one again. Let's try to include the comma and remove the decimal places. This type of formatting is very important in cases where you have large numbers. So let's say, for example, we have these numbers here, but you're not so sure if this is millions, if this is thousands or billions. The easy way to know this is to simply add your comma to the number to simply separate it for you. Now we can see that this is billion because it has 9 zeros. Now you can simply remove your decimal place or you can leave it. It's your choice. But to make it more easy and to understand, I would remove the decimal place. Now you understand how you can use number formatting in Excel. Remember that to format numbers are not tied to only these examples we did here. There are many other types of formatting you can do with your numbers. You can change the date, you can change the time, you can change it to percentage, you can change it to text. Whatever you want to do, you are not limited.